People ask me, what is our view on divorce? Nothing against divorce, because it is possible that when you got together with a person, you were in a particular time in your life where you needed certain things from a relationship, from another person. But maybe 20 years down the line, you have different views on life. You have different ways that you want to go. Would there be anything wrong in saying, thank you so much for this journey. I wish you the best. You have different wants 20 years down the line. You couldn't have foreseen it. Why does there have to be so much of antagonism? Why does there have to be so much of stress and strain? Can we take the meanness out of divorce? And all it requires is gratitude. During those years, you were there for me. Thank you. Thank you for the good times. Okay, the bad times were really bad, but thank you for the good times. And that gratitude is what will, in the present relationship, sustain it for longer, but also take the antagonism out of the past relationships. Thank you for what you did at the time. That's it.